Hello, everybody. Welcome to the first video in the digital editing unit. In this video, we're going to have a little introduction to how to start a file in our program that we're going to use online. The program we're going to use is a clone of Photoshop. It's almost literally Photoshop exactly. The only difference is it's online, free to use. So you don't even have to install anything. Okay, it's a great little program. It's called Photopea, and so you can get to it, just Google it in, or just type in the link, photopea.com. Now, while we're here, you'll see the opening screen here. Yes, there'll always be a little advertisement. That's the price of it being free for us. So let's get started here. So the first thing we want to do when we're using this is usually you're going to be starting a new project, right? A brand new file to draw and work with. So we hit new project. And the first thing that you always get asked in almost any digital editing software is how big, how many pixels wide, do you want to make your image? You'll see they give you a bunch of default ones here, for people making things. But let's just give you a little background so you know what numbers you might decide to enter here depending what you're doing. So here's a little graphic here that shows you your typical laptop monitor. Now I know there will be some that are better and some that are worse, but this is a pretty good guide, okay, for most computer screens, like at your school or at home. An HD monitor is usually around 2000 pixels, 1920 wide, and 1000 pixels tall. So that's a good little guide. So if you want to make, let's say, a screen for your computer, your background image there, desktop image, then you'd probably want to pick this width and this height for the number of little pixels that your image is going to contain. Obviously, some phones and monitors are better. You'll have higher numbers like this. But usually, using these numbers, you're still going to get a good enough quality that the human eye isn't really going to be able to tell the difference. Even if it's being viewed on a better monitor, you're still going to be good. So let's go back there and let's just type our own numbers here. So new project, I'll just call this, like, give it a little name, first image, and let's do one that will be like half the screen. So let's go for around 1000 wide, and let's go for a width of, like, or sorry, a height of 500. And notice it's set to pixels. Okay, so those little tiny dots that make up your image, that's about what you want. And that's good. 1000 by 500, background white. Let's create this and give it a go here. And you'll see when it opens up, you have a lot of icons over here on the sidebar, right? They're all the tools, and we'll be going through a bunch of those. And you'll see over here on the side, you have layers. If you've never worked with layers, we'll have a little video on that in a second. And then obviously you have your menu up here with all these things that you can do. And so that's basically starting an image. For instance, here you might have this set to the brush. Notice I have to hold down. Holding down opens up a little sub menu. You have brush and pencil. Let's say take the brush. For some reason here I'm set to blue right now. And I start drawing on this layer and you can see it sort of pops up and off we go. Anyways, that's starting off a new image.